Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can free up storage on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. In order to free up some storage, first we're gonna open Files by Google. This is the app that we should have installed on our smartphone. So let's actually go to all these apps, and over here we have Files. And this is how it looks like. We can see how much free space we have left. If you have micro SD card inserted into the smartphone, then you should see the memory card as well. And if you want to free up some space, then of course you should decide what you want to remove from your smartphone. As you can see by these categories, apps weigh the most in my case. So I can go to apps and then I can check out which apps take the most. We can also tap on these three dots over here in the top right corner, then choose sort by, and then choose largest first. So then I have the general idea which apps take the most space. So we can start removing apps that we don't use. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. I can tap on these three dots and then uninstall and then confirm by pressing OK. And there we go. Now we have a little bit more space. We can of course do the same with files that we have downloaded, with photos and pictures, with videos, audio files, documents, and apps once again. So keep that in mind. Also, if you have removed something, let's say you have removed a bunch of photos that you don't want to keep anymore, they will be moved to trash. So instead of just moving them to trash, we can also empty the trash. And if you want to do so, we need to tap on these three lines over here in the top left corner, and then here we have the trash. If we tap over here, we will see everything that is placed in the trash. Of course, everything that is in trash will be removed automatically after 30 days. But we can also do that by ourselves and do it faster. We also have the option clean over here, which we can tap on. And here we can see how much space is occupied. We can also see the junk files and how much they take the space. So we can tap, for instance, clean in order to clear some junk files. In my case, they didn't take that much, but in your case, they might take some space. So that's pretty much it in terms of the files made by Google. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!